Simple Scoop is promoted as a magic one-scoop powder that fully cleans pools. No chlorine measuring required. But a deep dive shows it's a mixed bag at best. The product touts safety for kids and pets and simplicity. One scoop, clear water. Yet the brand doesn't fully disclose its active ingredients or any third-party lab results. A transparency red flag. Reviews range wildly. One user found it genuinely cut down on monthly chemicals and clarified water within days, describing the process as crystal clear with less maintenance, while others reported no visible effect, algae still growing, and needing regular shock treatments alongside it. Ingredient labels lack detail, and the company offers minimal info about manufacturing or testing. Additionally, there's a lack of reputable customer reviews, no BBB profile beyond weight loss apps, no major marketplace listings, just InfoQ and ripoff report mentions, implying neither widespread adoption nor scrutiny. Marketing leans on buzzwords like non-chlorine oxidizing shock and clarifier plus algaecide in one scoop. But this oversimplifies pool chemistry. Even satisfied users still needed sanitizer tabs. So is Simple Scoop a scam? No. It does offer real results for light pool upkeep in small, well-maintained pools. But it's not a miracle one-step cleaning solution for larger or algae-prone pools. Verdict: it may help, but treat it as a convenience add-on, not a full substitute for proven pool maintenance products and regular testing.